Hello, I'm Tony Graves from Premier Auto Centres in Sidcup, and here today we're going to have a look over this fantastic 2013 Toyota Auris. This is the hybrid, so if you're looking to step into the hybrid electric market, then this is a great starter one for you at a tremendous price. Been lovingly looked after by the previous owner, had it for many years, has full Toyota dealer service history, has lovingly maintained the vehicle. Comes with rear camera to get you into those tight parking spaces. Have a look inside, got plenty of space, generous size boot. Let's move around. Car is in great order for the age of the vehicle, covered 52,553 miles. Have a look inside, plenty of rear leg room, got split folding rear seats. We have a look inside the front. You can see lovely condition. Previous owner really looked after it. 52,553 miles. Comes with European navigation. Comes with rear colour camera. We've also got dual zone climate control. Set the temperature independently each side. 2-stage heated front seats. So, really is a fantastic car, plenty of spec and in fantastic condition for the age of the vehicle. So, don't miss out on this beauty. Give us a call on 0208 850 0066. Book that all important viewing and test drive, and we can take your car in as part exchange. Thank you for taking the time to watch. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you very soon. Thank you.